Math Unit 7, Lesson 7-3, a fraction as a multiple of a unit fraction. You remember multiples. If I asked you for multiples of 2, you would tell me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. We get multiples as the product of multiplying that number by a whole number. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 3 equals 6, and so on. These products of multiplying 2 by a whole number give us multiples of 2. Well, we can do it for fractions. 1/3 times 1 equals 1/3. 1/3 times 2 equals 2/3. This is the second multiple of 1/3. 1/3 times 3 equals 3/3. This is the third multiple of 1/3. It is the product of multiplying this fraction by a whole number. Let's take a closer look. So here I have 3 times 1/4. And I want you to look at this equation with the letters in it. We need to get used to seeing equations that have these variables or letters in them. A over B is equal to A times 1 over B. In this equation, 3, my whole number, is represented by the letter A. And my unit fraction, 1/4, 1 over B, B represents my fourth, 1/4. Here I have a picture to represent the problem. If I have 1/4 3 times 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, I have 3/4. 3/4 is a multiple of 1/4. The multiplication equation looks like this. 3 times 1/4 equals 3/4. Let's look at a story. Jen used 1/3 cup of skim milk to make a strawberry smoothie. How much milk does she need to make 2 smoothies? As an addition equation, I can do 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. As a multiplication equation, that's 2 times 1/3 equals 2/3. 2/3 is a multiple of 1/3. 3 times 1/3 equals 3/3. 3/3 would be the third multiple of 1/3. 4 times 1/3 equals 4/3, and 4/3 is the fourth multiple of 1/3, and so on. Look at these. 3 times 1/4. 3/4. 7 times 1/8. 7/8. I would be adding 1/8 7 times. 9 times 1/6. 9/6. Take a look at how 7 times 1/8 can be represented with the variables. 7/8 is equal to 7 times 1/8. Okay, so multiples of unit fractions. 1/6 is my unit fraction. 9 times 1/6 will give me my 9th multiple of 1/6. To solve it, I can do an addition equation. 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6, 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that will give me 9/6. So 9/6 is the 9th multiple of 1/6. Let's look up multiples of unit fractions in a story. If Kate wants to give a snack consisting of half an orange to each of the 6 girls in her Girl Scout troop, how many oranges does she need? 6 times 1/2 equals m. This is my unit fraction. If I do 6 times 1/2, I will get 6 halves. Since that's an improper fraction, figure out how many wholes can I get out of this. 2 halves make a whole. How many times can I make a whole here? 6 halves or 3 oranges. Tomorrow in class, we'll work more with multiples of unit fractions.